In this video, I'm about to show you how to create a workflow in GoHighLevel. First, navigate to Workflows. You'll end up on this Workflow Dashboard page. Here you'll see Drafted and Published Workflows. You can create a new workflow using the green button at the top. You can also edit, delete, or copy existing workflows using the icons on the right side under Actions. Additionally, you can click through multiple pages if you have several workflows. Then click the plus Create New Workflow button in the top right of the page. Choose an option for the type of workflow you wish to create. You can import events from an existing campaign, start a workflow from scratch, or choose from pre-existing recipes or templates. Now click the plus Create New Workflow button in the top right of the screen again to enter the builder. In the Workflow Builder, you can rename a workflow using the pencil icon next to the title. By default, it will be on the Actions page. You can click to toggle between Actions, Settings, History, and Status tabs. They'll explain each tab in a separate tutorial. Add your triggers and create your workflow. You can have multiple triggers fire off the same chain of events. In the top right, you can click the Test Workflow button. Save any changes and then toggle the workflow from draft to publish mode to activate it. Click the Add New Workflow trigger in the gray box at the top of the builder. Next, choose the trigger app and customize any needed filters. Click Save and the trailer will be added to your workflow. Then click the plus to add a new event to the workflow. Choose and customize the action in the menu on the right. Save to confirm the changes. You can also click on an existing event to update it. Be sure to save any changes you make. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.